What if one decision could make you more disciplined, more focused, and more intentional with your life? Why are thousands of men talking about semen retention? Is it a superpower, a myth, or simply a tool for self-control? Today, we're breaking down the basics of semen retention, what it is, why people practice it, and how to approach it in a healthy and realistic way. If you've heard about it but never understood it, this video is for you. At its core, semen retention means intentionally choosing not to ejaculate for a period of time. Different people practice it for different reasons. Some do it for discipline, some for spiritual reasons, some to reduce unhealthy habits and distractions. Others simply want to challenge themselves and become more intentional about their choices. Semen retention isn't magic. It doesn't instantly turn someone into a different person. The real value many people talk about comes from self-control, discipline, and learning to direct your energy toward meaningful goals. Many people feel trapped by constant distractions. They struggle to focus. They start goals but never finish them. Some men discover semen retention during a period when they want to improve themselves. For them, the practice becomes a symbol, a reminder that they can control their impulses instead of letting impulses control them. It's not just about avoiding one habit. It's about building the ability to say, "I choose my actions." Some people report feeling more focused, more motivated, more confident, more disciplined. These experiences vary from person to person. Many of these benefits may come from changing habits, reducing distractions, improving sleep, exercising, and becoming more intentional with daily life. The biggest lesson: self-improvement usually comes from multiple positive changes working together. Many beginners believe semen retention is a magic shortcut. It isn't. Keeping a streak while ignoring every other area of life won't automatically create success. Real growth comes from exercising, learning, building discipline, developing healthy routines, working toward meaningful goals. Retention should be a tool, not your entire identity. Start simple. Set realistic goals. Focus on becoming more disciplined overall. Spend less time on distractions. Read more, exercise more, learn new skills, build the life you want. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Every small decision shapes the person you're becoming. One of the biggest questions beginners ask is, what am I supposed to do with all this energy? The answer is simple: use it. Energy that isn't directed usually turns into restlessness and temptation. This is why many people fail. They stop one habit but don't replace it with better habits. If you're practicing semen retention, channel your energy into things that improve your life. Go to the gym, learn a skill, read books, build your business, spend time with family, develop your faith, create something. The goal isn't just to retain. The goal is to become a better man. Think of yourself as a river. A river that keeps moving creates life. A river that stops moving becomes stagnant. Your energy needs direction. Every day ask yourself, what am I building? Because discipline without purpose becomes frustration, but discipline with purpose becomes power. Most people today are addicted to comfort. They want quick results, quick pleasure, quick success, quick happiness. But real growth is slow. The strongest trees take years to grow. The sharpest swords go through fire. The greatest men are built through discipline and patience. The rare path is choosing long-term growth over short-term pleasure. It's waking up and doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's becoming the type of man who keeps promises to himself. Because every time you choose discipline, you're sending yourself a message: I can trust myself. And when a man trusts himself, his confidence changes, his mindset changes, his entire life begins to change. This path isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming stronger, wiser, and more intentional every single day. That's what makes it rare. Semen retention isn't magic. The real power comes from what it teaches you. Patience, discipline, self-control, intentional living. You don't have to become perfect overnight. You just have to become a little better than you were yesterday. That's how strong men are built. One choice, one habit, one day at a time. If you're ready to stop living on autopilot and start becoming the man you're capable of being, then welcome to the rare path. Few walk this road, but those who do are never the same. Subscribe, and let's walk this path.